Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the affirmation. I shared that affirmation, how to write it down. Today I'm going to share with you, if you're not believing in the affirmation, and if you're believing in worry, doubt, and fear, anxiety, is nothing going to happen. Even the statement is written the way you wanted it and the way you wanted to see the result. If you just feeling as a thinking and feeling as emotionally worried, doubt, and fear and anxiety, and what is the opposite, this is what I'm going to talk about it, how the affirmation can work with you now, because just writing the affirmation is not enough, it's more than that. So let's start introducing myself and my mentors. Then I'm going to talk about how we can start working with affirmation. And let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm a consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentors, Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. If you don't know Bob Proctor, he was in The Secret movie. If you haven't watched The Secret movie, you should watch Secret movie on the YouTube. It's free and it's all about law of attraction. And my mentor taught this information more than 60 years all around the world, the CEO, the airlines, or insurance companies, because this information works and still working. I have used it. I'm still using it every single day around my goals. So we are trying to build the business here. Business can be whatever your goals are, personal goals, profession goals, and we're trying to masterminding the information around the business. So the goals must be coming from inside, not from outside, not from your family or friends, the environment. The goals must be something you want, something inspires you, something going to make you happy. So let's start talking about the affirmations. So affirmation, they work, but just writing the affirmation is not enough. And if you are living in the worry, doubt, and fear, and the opposite is faith. The faith come believing in yourself, have a faith in yourself, and then you have to start working with the affirmation. If just writing the affirmation in the words and what you want is not going to work. The affirmation is, of course, we have to write it down what we want in a present tense. This is what I talked about yesterday. But once we have written down the affirmation, what we want, and we have to impress it in the conscious mind and subconscious mind, that is a different process. I will talk about that also. So let's talk about first, if you're not going to believe it and you are living in a worry, doubt, and fear, and that means you're not believing it as your mind and your as a conscious mind and subconscious mind as your thoughts and your feelings, and it's not going to happen. So you have to start believing yourself and having faith within yourself, because we are spirit being. We have infinite potential. Infinite potential always want to express and move forward, and is always want to grow. But to grow, you have to have a belief in yourself, have a faith in yourself to work with that affirmation, and then definitely going to work with for you whatever you are trying to have or do or create, definitely going to work for you. So the opposite worry, doubt, and fear is faith. Faith gonna come believing yourself and having faith within yourself, because you are not just a body being, you are more than body being. You are spirit being. Spirit is energy. Energy is always wanted to express and move forward. And if you start believing yourself, have faith in yourself with the formation, and definitely going to work for you. So start believing yourself, have a faith in yourself, even your circumstances are not good or something not going right. Just focus on what you want as your affirmation and start focusing on your how you feel and think. And because we attract everything according to how we feel emotionally, of course, intellectually, how you think and how you feel, with the feelings as emotionally you attract everything. Once your feelings are changed in the faith and believing yourself, your affirmation going to start to work for you. So it's just like planting the seeds, and then we have to water it, and then we have to take the weeds out, we have to put the fertilizer to wait, and the wait is to grow the plant. And definitely going to grow if you're going to take care of it. And it's the same process, believing yourself, taking the action with the affirmation, and keeping your eyes and ears closed from any negativity around, and having faith in yourself. Definitely the affirmation going to work for you. So start believing yourself, have faith in yourself, because you have infinite potential. Each human being born with the infinite potential. Infinite potential is always want to grow and expand and move forward, but you have to take the action according to that. So hopefully you're going to start do that, and your affirmation definitely going to work for you. That's all I wanted to share with you today. And your homework is today, the affirmation you have written, you're going to have a faith in yourself, believing yourself, and it's working for you already. It's just like planting the tree, and the plant is growing if you're watering it, fertilizing it, and taking the weeds out. It's the same process. If you're going to take action every single day, definitely going to work for you. There's another process how to impress it consciously and subconsciously. I will talk about that also. And now you've got the affirmation, believing yourself, having faith in yourself, and of course you have to take action every day with that affirmation. And I think that's all your homework is. Have a faith in yourself, believe in yourself, because you have infinite potential. Infinite potential is always wants to grow and expand, and it's working for you all the time. So just like day after day, night comes after night, the day comes. It's an automatic process. Same with infinite potential is always working for us. And please, if you like the YouTube, give a thumbs up and leave your comments. Your comments going to help others. And subscribe if you want to have more YouTubes around how the process works. And and please leave your comments. And thank you for watching the YouTube. Your homework is today believing yourself, having faith in yourself, and things are working, and it's definitely working. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.